Governors of Ohio and Kentucky make separate announcements about new steps being taken to prevent an outbreak of the coronavirus in the tri-state.
Local 12's Christian Hauser is here to break down the changes and what the governors are asking of all of us. Christian?
Kyle and Paul, it all comes down to common sense. Governor Mike DeWine announced he's directing the Ohio Department of Transportation to post information on all hand washing stations and rest stops to get people to wash their hands. The Corrections Department and Human Services Departments are going to increase the use of disinfectant measures in all state facilities, and he's asking colleges and universities to stop students and staff from traveling to any country that the CDC says is like China and South Korea, where the risk for this virus is high.
When you look at a pandemic curve and then the spread of viruses, it's very, very hard to actually contain them and keep them from spreading. And we've done really a heroic job of doing that. But the goal all along has been to slow down the spread.
So far, there are no confirmed cases of coronavirus in the tri-state. There's no cure for it, so health experts like Greg Kesterman with Hamilton County Health Department say you should just treat it like the flu. That means prevention is your best medicine. So wash your hands, cover your coughs and sneezes, and if you or your kids are sick, stay home.
We're not asking people to wear masks. The Centers for Disease Control are saying that's not helpful right now. We want people to use those general preventative measures.
Ohio is monitoring more than 210 people who recently traveled to China. But Klesterman cannot say whether any of them are in Hamilton County. But he says no matter where those people are, their local health departments are checking in daily.
It is the county's job then on each case that comes back to contact them daily, to have their temperature read twice a day, and the individual will report that back to the county. In addition, they're supposed to report any other symptoms that they're experiencing.
Don't get fooled by misinformation being spread on social media.
When you wake up and you look at your Twitter account or your Facebook account and you say, boy, that's scary, I want you to take a break and I want you to go to the Centers for Disease Control's website and I want you to read the facts.
Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear also addressed concerns in the Commonwealth. He says everyone who recently has traveled to China has agreed to self-monitor and stay at home, just like in Ohio. Now, each state has created a special web page to help keep you up to date with the latest information. We'll have links to both of those on local12.com under the Get It Now section. Kyle?
All right, Christian, thank you so much. Now, while the coronavirus sounds scary, the flu should actually be your biggest concern right now. Last year, there were more than 34,000 deaths caused by it. So far this season, there have been more than 16,000 flu deaths.